Hey, what's up guys? It's Portuguese DIY Dad, and today I have a really cool video for you. Do you have faded vinyl shutters in your house? Are they faded? Are they looking ugly? I do. You know, for the last 4 years I've been looking at these shutters thinking, man, I have to either build new ones or go buy new ones at the store. At one point I was gonna make them out of wood and make it look like farm chic, and I decided, you know what, it's not worth it. So thanks to my friend Wilson, he shared a product with me. I decided to try it out and see if it would work. So I did this a few days ago, and I didn't want to record this video while I was doing it because, you know, sometimes when you try a new product, it'll look good for a few minutes, right, or maybe a few hours, and then it like goes back to what it used to look like. So I waited a few days just to make sure that this product was good before I made this video, and I want to show you the results. And I'm gonna show you what I actually left 2 shutters undone so you can see what it looked like before and then what it looks like now. Before I start though, do me a favor, give me a thumbs up if you like this video at the end, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment. If this helped you out, if this saved you money, please let me know so more people can see this video. All right, if you want to purchase this product that I'm about to show you, the link will be on the description box. It's worth the money. Okay, I did the math and this saved me tons of money. Okay, so let's get started. So these were done a few days ago, and look how nice and dark they are. Okay, and these are the same shutters. I didn't remove them, I didn't have to tape anything, I didn't have to do much. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to make your shutters look this dark. All right, these are my faded vinyl shutters. Okay, from far away you can actually see that they're really faded. Maybe when you're so close, maybe you don't see it as much, but it's really faded. I mean, they've been here for 25 years maybe. They're original to the house, so and the sun doesn't even hit this side that much, so I can just imagine if the sun was on this side of the house, that how much more faded it would be. Okay, so let me show you what it looks like after it's done. All right guys, so here I am. This is the stuff I'm using. It's made from Car Guys Plastic Restorer, and let's do this. Gotta get on a ladder. All right, quick update, check that out. That is done up to here. You can tell exactly where I stopped. All right, I just want to point out that you got to make sure that you don't put too much, and that you do a nice even coat. Okay, you don't want to overdo it. All right guys, this is done, and look how dark that one looks. And of course it has to dry out, so once it dries out it actually gets darker. Okay, and then that's the one that I'm going to do next. And of course that one hasn't been done. You can tell the difference, how it's faded. All right, so not really much to see anymore. I hope this is helpful to you. I know my house looks a lot different, and you know what, for I don't know, 15 bucks, 20 bucks, it's a lot cheaper than having to buy new ones or having to take them off, spray paint them, put them back on. It's a pain in the butt. All right, so I didn't even have to do that. Right, thanks for watching. Again, give me a thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe to the channel. Appreciate you. All right, God bless.